So you're modelling in Blender and you want to make a spring for that sweet weapon you're modelling, but you don't know how to because there's no obvious way to do it in Blender. I got you. Start off by adding a circle curve to the scene. Go into edit mode and select everything and move them over to the side. In the Modify tab, add the screw modifier and set the axis to X. Increase the screw distance and increase the iterations a bunch. Next, add more resolution to the viewport steps. If you want to change the radius of the spring, go back into edit mode, select everything and scale down or up and adjust the screw distance once more until you're happy. Now that you have your spring, there's just one more thing. It's still technically a curve, so you're going to want to convert it to a mesh. But there's a problem. By default, Blender inverts the face normals. Red is bad, blue is good. So let's select the faces and hit flip. And there we go. Easy springs in Blender. Well, kinda easy.